What's going on, guys? Welcome back for yet another impressive vlog. We got the GT in the work bay today, and if you guys remember in our last vlog, I had mentioned that we were going to be changing up the look of this thing. So as it sits, this is honestly, I really like this Mamba green color. I feel like it fits the car very well, but it has been on the car for some time, and we want to give this thing a whole new look, especially since we got some new BBSs for it. As you can see, we've been on these Anarchy wheels since SEMA. We were given these wheels for SEMA. But we had also gotten a pair of BBSs at the same time, and we just haven't been able to throw the wheels on the car because we had to rock these for SEMA. So we're here with Brian right now, and he's gonna get started on the teardown process, which means all the fender flares, all the aero, and everything has to come back off the car in order for us to rewrap this thing. So let's get started. Alright, Brian's gonna start taking apart the door handles and the mirrors, so in the meantime, I'm gonna get started on unwrapping the car. As you guys can see, the wrap is actually coming up pretty easily, no heat, so this should be a smooth process. Alright, so a little bit of time has passed. I've fully unwrapped this whole side right here. Brian's got the door handles and the mirrors off, and he's finishing up this other side over here. Process has been going super smoothly. The wrap is still pretty new, so it's not that hard to take off, which is nice. So we're just gonna keep going at this thing, and I will catch up with you guys when we have more stuff done. When we last left off, the car was being stripped down by Brian. As you can see, the whole car is taken apart. We have the bumpers over here, and we have the side pieces that we took off as well. And as you guys can see, the first piece has been laid. So like I had mentioned, it's a new color from Inozetek called Lava Orange. It's a very nice orange color, as you guys can see. And of course, since it's Inozetek, there's virtually no orange peel anywhere.
Vinyl is rough, no groove. You don't see any groove on it. So smooth.
Alright, so update. The front end of the car is pretty much done other than the bumper. So we got the hood and the two fenders right here wrapped up, all thanks to Jeffrey. Right now, we just unpeeled this rear quarter panel and pillar. The door was already unpeeled. Nice. So front end is done. We are now going to move on to both doors and both rear quarter panels. So I will catch you guys when we start doing that. We are now on day 3 with the GT. If you guys remember day 1, Brian and I took apart the car, got all the bumpers and the body kit and everything off. Day 2, Jeffrey started wrapping the car, and as you can see, he actually got a ton of it done. Pretty much the whole body of the car is fully wrapped except the rear hatch here. This is still green. However, looking at it right now, we're gonna get a good idea of how the car is gonna look once it's done. Obviously, it's in its very, very early stages, but still nice to see the progress that we've been making. Right now, Jeffrey's unwrapping the rest of the pieces of the body kit. That way we can start wrapping those today. Alright, so as you guys see, we have the front bumper on the car now. And we have all the inlays that we need for it. So we went ahead and put it back on the car. That way we can actually get to laying the piece right now. All right, so check it out. The front bumper is fully wrapped up. As you guys can see, we added some black accents in here, and in my opinion, makes it look a lot better. And we're gonna put the fender piece on to get a better idea of how the car is gonna look. But for now, the car looks absolutely amazing. This orange color is super nice. It's starting to grow on me a bit. Yeah, now that that fender's on there, this thing's gonna look so good. All right, so it's been some time and the car is fully wrapped up. The wrap is completely done. All we have to do is put the car back together, which has already started happening. The car's right in front of me. I'm looking right at it. And to be honest with you guys, I wasn't really sure how I felt about the orange color. At first I was kind of like, okay, orange is cool, but I don't know. And then we brought the color out from Inozetek. And I was like, okay, this orange color is actually really, really cool. But I was having a hard time picturing the whole car with it. But now that I'm looking at it, right, I'm gonna show you guys in a second because this thing looks absolutely freaking insane. Now that I'm looking at it and now that the car is somewhat put back together, I can tell you this color looks absolutely nuts. So check it out, guys. This thing looks so good. Oh my god, I can't believe the finish on this wrap. Of course, excellent, like no orange peel whatsoever. The black also contrasts super nice against the really bright orange color. I think I already like this a little bit more than the green, and I thought the green was gonna be really hard to top, but this color pops a lot and it looks super good. You can see we still have a lot to put on, but we have the front bumper on. And then about 3/4 of this side is fully put on. Obviously we still need the rear and the rear bumper as well. But this thing is gorgeous. All right, I am getting impatient, so we are gonna put this thing back together ASAP and I will show you guys the final product once this thing is fully on the ground and is able to roll out of here. So check it out, guys. The car is now fully put back together. As you can see, we still got to put the wheels on it and get it off the jack stands, but the whole body kit and everything is back on the car. This thing looks absolutely stunning. Brand new Inozetek orange color, super nice. So yeah, we're gonna throw the wheels on this thing right now and get it back on the ground, and hopefully we can take it outside. Huge shout out to Sam for shooting that video for us. I'll go ahead and leave his Instagram in the description below. That way you guys can check out his amazing work, which I highly recommend that you do. Now, so if you guys noticed, the BBSs never made it on the car. We have them. They're actually at the shop. It's just with everything going on, we haven't had time to put tires on them. So once we get tires for those, we will definitely put them on, and I will show you guys that. You guys will be able to see all those pictures and stuff when we put the wheels on our Instagram, so make sure you're following that. Also, we are trying to figure out whether or not we should do a livery, and if we do a livery, what kind of livery should we do? So go ahead and comment down below whether or not you think we should do a livery or if we should just keep it orange. But with all that being said, thank you guys yet again for watching another impressive vlog, and I will catch you guys in the next one.